This tutorial will continue using the EMDS model created in the first tutorial of the Chewaucan watershed located in South Central Oregon. We will demonstrate the EMDS integrated multi-step approach to deliver spatial decision support for this watershed. We will be assessing the tactical priorities for restoration actions. This will answer the question of which types of potential management actions are the highest priority for a particular area and the effectiveness of various methods. The steps are: first, open the Chewaucan WS EMDS project. Right-click on Entry Full Watershed, then click Add New Task. Select CDP and then click on Create Task. This will open the new CDP task wizard. Enter the name of the new task, Restoration, and click Next. You will need to select a CDP model file. For this example, a simple model was created that shows the one-to-one relation between the stressors and threats and the actions to resolve these issues. Select this Chewaucan tactical model file and click Next. The next screen shows the input data table for the model. This is usually from the current selected layer. Click Next. Next screen is the database to the field mapping screen. You will match the input data table data column to the item in the model. The system will try to auto-match as many as possible between the model and field table names. Then just click Continue. On this screen you can add how to handle particular data errors. For example, if the number from the table is outside the allowable range of values, or if the data is not in correct format. Click Next. On this screen you can add and review rules on the model. For our tutorial, there are no rules that need to be defined. Just click Next. You will now see if there is any pairwise values, which for this tutorial there are none. Click Next. This is the final review screen. If you see the model notes and any rules that have been defined, click Finish. On the map, the new layer will be added. On the EMDS project tree, the new item will be added underneath the full watershed item, called 2-Restoration. To view details of this analysis, right-click on 2-Restoration and select Views CDP Results. A new form will appear and will allow you to view in separate tabs. The Input tab, which displays the table used to generate the results. The Calculations tab, which displays the priority scores for each feature. The Lowest Criteria Priority Values tab. This displays the priority scores for each of the criteria. The Contributions tab. This displays the relative contribution of each criteria against the level on the CDP model. The Sensitivity tab, which displays how sensitive your preferred alternative or feature in your selection is to change in weights to the criteria inside the CDP model. The Trade-off tab, which displays in the table the effects when one particular criteria is set as a reference criterion. If the set is increased by 1, for example, it will show how much all the other criteria will need to be changed to keep the same score.